Yeah, I'm a BOI. I got one of the biggest BOIs around. It means exactly that, born on the island. I'm born on the island, and they say that islanders have salt water in our veins.
Answer me speedily.
Galveston is an island off the coast of Texas.
Galveston, it is wonderful. It's crazy at times, but it's just wonderful. We have all types of ethnicities here. White, black, Mexican, you name it. It's all here in Galveston.
How can I describe my dad? It takes a lot of courage to do what he does, you know? I don't know if he ever thought that, you know, I look at him different because he's a drag queen, but I find it fierce and sickening. He always tells me God can take it in a second. So, cherish what you have while you have it.
Hurricane Ike, September 13, 2008, everybody was on a level playing field because we all were devastated by Hurricane Ike because it didn't make any difference how much money you had. You couldn't buy groceries, you couldn't buy gas, you couldn't flush your toilet.
I came back and found out that my house had burned down to the ground. All my photos, my toys, my videos, everything that I had was gone.
Yeah, my partner and I, we stayed during Ike. And it scared me because I went to the corner store and everybody was getting their last minute things and evacuating. And I went to this corner store to get cigarettes and stuff, and I can hear in the gutters, the street gutters, gurgling sound. I never heard it. When the eye of Ike had came, it was like 15 minutes of just quiet, still. We're able to look in the sky, we seen the moon. And then I looked down over our balcony, our porch, the water was right there. 12, 13 feet high. Then I knew that, you know, Galveston was done.
It changed my perspective of just the community in general. For the first time in my life, I saw the community come together as a whole. We had to go to food trucks, the hospitals were closed, and everything was just shut down. But during that time, the community, we all came together to support one another, to just lift each other up.
We shall overcome someday. The truth shall set us free. The truth shall set us free. The truth shall set us free. The truth shall set us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the truth shall set us free someday.
As much energy as we use up every day, the coal and the fuel, and you hear scientists talk about like global warming is going to happen and stuff like that, and you don't believe it at first until you actually see something of it.
Climate change is going to have to take everybody to fix it. People are talking more about it than doing things about it. It's kind of like they're sitting around waiting if it's really going to happen.
100 years from now, Galveston Island may not be here. The warnings that are being given will at some point hit on ears that understand, who are in a powerful enough position to do something about it.